Welcome to day two of hashtag ABC April 2025. Today's letter is B, and I lean into my favorites: boho butterfly, bingo card, and a belly band. The bingo card is available as a freebie download on my Ko-fi. Check the link below. I'll walk you through the embossing process, show you how I use layering and texture to make it pop, and we'll glue everything onto the page at the end. And if you're wondering how I made this Middle Muse belly band, I will definitely have a link to that video above. Let's jump in and also stick around for a sneak peek at what's coming for prompt C. Here's one of my favorite techniques. I'm using ISC Bohemian Butterfly Stamp, fine embossing powder, and that embossing magic bag helps keep the glitter and fine powder at bay. So I will now stamp the image onto the paper, and then we'll also use my heat gun. We'll cut things out, and we'll then proceed to the next step. I like to always use the embossing powder pan to catch the flying embossing powder and glitter. It just helps keep things a little controlled. Enjoy the music, and then we'll be stepping into the next phase, which will be gluing all the components together for prompt B. Here, I'm going to give you a quick look at the shine. I love that effect when you use embossing powder. And I will glue first the belly band, the middle muse band. And I did put a little bit too much glue in the middle there, but you'll see how I'll improvise a bit. It's something that we all do. Uh, when we're trying to create and film at the same time. I'm sure I'm not the only one, but it's no biggie. It's one of the reasons why I love 3-in-1 glue, because it allows you that flexibility. And next, I will glue the Bohemian butterfly, and we will glue this in the page. And I'll also give you a nice peek at the middle muse band, how it looks in the journal page. And I want to remind everyone to not forget, grab your free bingo card in my Ko-fi site. And remember that the next prompt is letter C. And right there, I'm showing you the middle muse band. I hope that this will inspire you to join in. And thank you for spending your time with me. Until next time, happy journaling.